Unleashing the power of generative AI, creating the unimaginable. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of generative AI, where machines have the ability to create something truly unique and mind blowing. Today, we'll explore how generative AI works and the incredible possibilities it presents. Imagine a world where machines can generate stunning images, write captivating stories, and compose mesmerizing music. This is the realm of generative AI, where algorithms are used to create something new and innovative. Through the power of deep learning and neural networks, machines can now tap into their creative side and produce works of art that were once exclusive to human imagination. But how does generative AI work? It all starts with a training process where the AI model learns from a vast amount of data. This data can be anything from images, text, or even music. The model analyzes the patterns and structures within the data and then uses that knowledge to generate new content. One of the most popular applications of generative AI is in the field of image generation. By learning from a vast database of images, the AI model can generate realistic and visually stunning pictures that are indistinguishable from those created by humans. This has opened up a world of possibilities in various industries, from art and design to advertising and entertainment. But generative AI doesn't stop at images. It can also be used to generate text, allowing machines to write stories, articles, and even poetry. By analyzing large amounts of text data, the AI model can understand the underlying patterns and structures of language, enabling it to generate coherent and engaging written content. And let's not forget about music. Generative AI can compose original melodies, harmonies, and even entire musical compositions. By learning from a vast library of musical works, the AI model can create music that is both unique and emotionally captivating. The possibilities of generative AI are truly limitless. From creating realistic images to writing compelling stories and composing beautiful music, this technology is revolutionizing the way we think about creativity. So, buckle up and get ready to be amazed by the incredible power of generative AI. To stay updated on the latest advancements in generative AI and other cutting edge technologies, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow us. Don't miss out on the future of creativity.